Transform your Wix website from ordinary to extraordinary by adding interactive Arcgis maps that bring your data to life. First, you'll need an Arcgis Online account and a web map you want to embed. If you don't have one, head over to Arcgis Online and create a free account. Then, create a new map or use an existing one, making sure it contains the layers and information you want to showcase on your website. Once your map is ready, click the Share button in the sharing options. Ensure that the map is shared publicly, or at least with everyone in your organization if that suits your needs. Then, select Embed in Website. Now, you'll see a set of options to customize how your map will appear on your Wix website. You can adjust the map size, zoom level, include a legend, and even choose to disable scrolling or zoom features to keep the user focused. After customizing the map, copy the HTML code provided. This code snippet is what will bring your interactive Arcgis map to life on your Wix website. Next, log into your Wix website editor. On the page where you want to embed the map, click the Add button on the left-hand side. Then, select Embed a Site. Choose the Embed Code option. A box will appear on your page. Click on Enter Code. Paste the HTML code you copied from Arcgis Online into the provided code box. Click Update. Resize and position the embedded map element on your Wix page as desired. Now, preview your Wix website to see your interactive Arcgis map in action. That's it. You've successfully embedded an Arcgis map into your Wix website.